Hello everyone, it's been really a long time and this is the first video that I'm literally shooting in 2021. So this video is all about books. So I'm going to share you some of the books that I read in the first quarter of 2021. So when 2021 started, everyone will take a resolution, and so did I. I have taken a lot of resolutions in the past years as well, but I did not follow anything seriously. But in 2021, I decided to follow at least one goal seriously, and it should not be a very big goal, but it should be something that I can actually follow consistently without any hiccups. So the resolution that I took in 2021 was to read books, and it's not about reading 100 books, something like that. I did not set any goals, but the goal was very simple: to read one book a month. And all the books that I take is around 200 pages to 300 pages to the maximum. So I actually believe that I can read a book in a month, because reading is one of my favorite hobbies or favorite things to do, and reading has helped me in many situations when I was low. Also, reading has helped me to meet a lot of new people. Reading has helped me to keep me sane. Reading has helped me to escape the boredom. So reading has helped me literally for everything whenever I face a challenge in my life, or whenever I have a low time in my life. Also, when I wanted to motivate myself, I go and read books. So when I say I read books, I read self-help books. Self-help books are one of my favorite books to read. I also read fiction books, but non-fiction are one of the go-to books that I pick whenever I go to a bookstore or whenever I add it on Amazon cart. So let me get into this topic quickly. The reason why I took this resolution in 2021. So you know that I already love books. I have made a couple of videos on books, but I was not consistent in reading because of the work-life balance. But then I decided I really needed to read books, so that it also helps my profession. So I am a content writer and it will definitely help. So this is one of the reasons. But I just wanted to buy a lot of books. I just wanted to read a lot of books, and I wanted to meet new people through books. So that's the reason I decided to read books. So I bought a lot of books last year, but I rarely read. I wanted to again buy a lot of books this year, but there are already a couple of books that are still unread, so I should not get scoldings from my parents, and this is also one of the reasons. So it has a lot of reasons, but at the end it's reading books. So let's get into the video. I'm talking too much. So the first book that I read in January was Ikigai. You all know that I posted Ikigai book on my stories, on my feed on Instagram, and I even posted on YouTube. But I started and I did not complete that book. I wanted to read it again, so I started with Ikigai, because Ikigai is not just a book, it's something more than that. It's something more than a book. It offers a lot of values. It's just very level, bro. So I wanted to read that book for a long time. I mean, I wanted to complete that book for a long time, but I didn't get time. So what I did was, in January again, when I started continuing the pages, I felt some connection lack. So I started reading it again from the beginning. I finished that book in January, and it was such a bliss. When I finished that book, I felt so motivated. And also it talks a lot about the happy lifestyle, healthy lifestyle, even at the age of 80, 100, 110. It's really amazing. I really wanted to give a book review for this particular book specially. And the second book that I read is Magic. Yes, you all know I'm a law of attraction life coach, and you all know I've read a lot of books from Ronald, The Power, The Magic, The Secret, and The Hero, and other set of books from the author. But the Magic is something that you need to read it again and again, so that it will help you keep motivated, positive, helps you keep the vibration in balance. So this book, The Magic, has 30-day practices where you can read it every single day, and you can complete the task every single day, and then you can finish the book at the end of the month. So that's how I did. I read it every day, and and in February I completed that book. It was so amazing. I felt so energized and motivated. I felt so positive after finishing the book. And if you wanted to know a lot about what is the content in magic, you can check out my Instagram feed. I have a bunch of videos on the magic practices, but I did not complete it fully. I've kept it until practice 15. And the third book that I started was Robin Sharma's The Greatness Guide Part 2. So The Greatness Guide Part 1 was the book that I read long back when I was in my UG, and I bought The Greatness Guide Part 2 also back then, but I did not get time to read that. So I started reading that book, and then there is this amazing person who launched his debut book, Desipreneur 0.0. Yes, it's Santosh Muruganandam. So he has launched his new book, Desipreneur 0.0. It's full of entrepreneurial spirit. If you are someone who want to become an entrepreneur, or if you're someone who gets motivated if an entrepreneur comes and talks to you, or if you're someone just who loves the concept of entrepreneurship, you can just go grab this book. It's just a 100-page book, and you can finish this book in one sit. All you need is a Sunday morning or a Saturday evening to complete this book, and it's so amazing. It is full of motivation and energy-packed book. Okay, so what I did was, he launched his book and I purchased his book, and I completed that within one day and in one sit. So it was so amazing. I even texted him personally that the book helped me so much. It cleared a lot of concepts in my mind that I was confused about. And the sweet part here is, the author himself called me to get the reviews so that he can hear it live. And it was so amazing. I really felt so happy talking to him, and he gave a lot of motivation, positivity, and yeah, the day was amazing. So if you don't know who is Santosh Muruganandam, he is the CEO of Kolapasi. So you can just visit his store somewhere in your place. He is expanding the business. It's going places, and I'm so proud of what he's doing. And I really highly recommend you all to read his book, Desipreneur 0.0. It's for beginners who wanted to start a business. If you are in a college or if you are just passed out, you wanted to start a business, you can just go grab his book. Just 100 pages, and you can read it in an hour or you can read it within a day, and it's so amazing. I highly recommend. I can vouch for this, and I'm going to make a book video on this. But please don't wait for my video. You will definitely love reading his book, so please go grab that book whenever you wanted to read that. So this is the 3-month book reading list that I had, and April has started, and I have not started reading book yet, but I think I will be continuing Robin Sharma's The Greatness Guide Part 2 for April, and I'll be reading that. So I highly recommend you all to read books, because books keep you sane. Whenever you need some motivation, you need not go and talk to someone who is not going to value what you're feeling. You can just grab a self-help book, or whenever you are really bored, you can grab a fictional book and you can dive into the characters. You can talk to the characters, and it's so amazing. The feeling of reading a book is really amazing. And so yeah, that's it. I really wanted to share this for a long time, and the first quarter has also got over, so I thought it's time to post this video. And I really apologize you all for making this video really a late one, but yeah, I hope this video might have helped you or given you that spark to read your next book. And see you in another video. See you with another book review. It's not kind of book review. See you in other book videos. So yeah, until then, it's Shri signing off. Bye bye.